Welcome to our channel, Small Tall Eats.
I'm small.
I'm tall. And today we're gonna eat Tungs.
Let's go.
Okay, what you like?
Can I get 2 chicken wings?
2 order chicken wings, the a la carte order, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
And then 1 black bean noodle,
Okay.
1 string bean,
Okay.
and 1 steamed dumpling.
Oh, the shrimp and lean or pork?
Pork.
Pork dumplings? Okay,
Yeah.
and what else?
That's it.
Okay, thanks. About 25 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Today we're drinking Smirnoff Ice.
This is shrimp. I don't know, I gave it to you because it looks kind of... Oh, it's not even a shrimp.
What is it?
It looks like a chicken. Is it a shrimp? A pork?
I don't. It's like a bone.
Just don't eat it.
What's the fastest you can do this? No?
Mm-mm.
Okay, we're gonna talk about the Kardashians because that's we love them.
They're our favorite people.
It was recently Kylie's birthday. They just celebrated her birthday.
Yeah, happy 21, Kylie. Wild time. We're older than Kylie. You're just barely older, but
Yeah. August.
so much going on in her life. Good for you, Kylie.
She has a child.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel. Having a child so early.
Well, okay, she didn't go to college.
Yeah,
So-
she's like lived her life.
Yeah, so
You know,
it's already
she's,
like a couple
life
years.
experience doing other shit that rich people do. I don't know what they do.
So like, if you took out college from her years or whatever, she's had a couple years already, like out of high school. So I think for her to have a kid, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Like to us, it's like, oh, that's really young, but it's not like she's doing anything.
Because like at 21, I still felt like a kid because I was still in school and stuff.
Yeah, but 4 years out of schooling, I would say. Yeah.
Time, yeah.
Courtney.
Courtney drama.
Courtney and... Okay, first her ex-boyfriend, Eunice.
Yeah.
Like, he was caught on the beach with some girl. But they don't know if they were in a relationship or not yet. Or like still, when they took those pictures and like posted it.
Oh. Because, yeah, they did come out like after the whole breakup, but everyone, I guess, made it seem like they were the cause of the breakup or whatever.
But he's
But
like...
it could have been after, you're right.
So I don't know. But I mean, Courtney's living her best life.
She's
She's doing what she wants. Like, she can date and break up. It doesn't matter. She's not talking to Scott. Actually, I saw a post and it was like, Courtney and Scott could get back together in their 40s. And they're like almost there.
Oh yeah, there was some, I saw one,
Like they're just taking a break right now.
what was it, like one of the clips or something, and he was talking about like, yeah, we talked about it when we both reached like 40 or something. This was probably a few years back, like an old clip. And so someone probably like resurfaced and they're like, almost there.
But I don't know like how likely that will happen, I guess.
I know how to feel about them. I feel like I'll ship them as a fictional couple. Like I'm into their story and everything, but I know it's like a pretty toxic relationship.
Yeah.
You know, like I understand that they don't work out together.
Like especially in the beginning. They were like, it was really weird. Their dynamic. Even Chris said like their dynamic is like really weird.
Yeah. So I think I like ship them as a fictional TV couple.
Drama with Courtney and Kim. Okay, the thing with
Like
that...
not recent. Or I don't know like how it like affects their lives today, but that's all like
They're
for the
tweeting
show.
about it.
Yeah.
They're like tweeting about it now. But like, for them to premiere that now, it must have happened a long time ago.
It was like the whole like, I think last season's premiere was all about the babies and stuff. And like by the time it premiered, like Kylie had given birth or something, right? You know? Like,
Yeah. And Kylie's kid is 6 months now.
Yeah. Damn. Damn.
You know what I hate? That they're really into right now? Biker shorts.
Oh.
That's like all Kim wears. That's basically what Kylie wore, her second dress. And I was like, I do not like it.
I'm like into it as a fashion.
I do not like it at
I don't know
all.
if I could wear it. It's like a weird fashion. But you do you. They like invent fashion.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's like only popular because they started wearing it.
I don't know. My camera just turns off sometimes. So there's just gonna be weird cuts.
Talking about Kardashian kids.
Like, they all had their kids around the same time that they would be able to have another reality show.
Oh my god, you're right. I hope they don't. You know? I hope they don't.
Why?
Or like just depending on their kids. Like I don't know. I haven't
Like when
watched
they're older.
the recent ones, but I don't know how much they keep the kids in it on the show. I feel like they try
don't.
and they like
Yeah.
unless the kids like run into the room while they're filming and stuff. And
Because-
it's like up to the kids how they feel about filming once
Because
they get to that age.
The thing with Kim, I think, said it was like everyone in the family said they wanted to be in this reality show,
And
but the kids didn't really have a say.
Yeah.
But I mean, like in the future, if they were like,
If the kids want it.
they all are the same age where they're able to.
That's true.
So yeah.
At what age do you think they'll start?
18.
I guess like asking to be on the show. Because Kendall and Kylie were on it pretty young.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Well, Chloe said she won't let her kid watch until she's 13 at least.
Mm.
And that's just watching.
Mm-hmm.
So having your own, I don't know what they would call it. Because there's so many of them. And like, they're not the Kardashian last name either.
I don't know. Are they? Yeah, they're not. Maybe they just keep the name Keeping Up with the Kardashians season like 42.
Who's your favorite of the 5?
5.
6, I guess, if you include Rob.
I like feel like I'm a Courtney, but I don't really like her. Or I mean, like she's fine, but I feel like I'm Courtney, like her annoying aspects or what I feel like I also have, which is like, oops.
I used to like Courtney a lot.
I did too, but now she's like a little more
Annoying.
Yeah. Used to be like she's so real compared to everyone else, but now it's like a little too much.
Yeah.
I guess I like Kim the most, or Kylie. I want to be Kylie.
Courtney and Kendall used to be my favorite, but then Kendall started and Courtney both started to get kind of annoying.
Mhm.
But then I also don't know if they're just painting them in that way.
Yeah, because I only get it from the show.
Yeah.
And then like
We do not know them personally.
and then like whatever pops up on like Instagram or Facebook, I guess, in the news.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't like follow their apps or do whatever. I don't even like watch their stories that often.
I watch their stories, but it's usually advertising their app,
Mm-hmm.
which costs money.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, nah, they have enough.
They do.
But I would say Courtney and Kendall in the beginning,
Mm-hmm.
and then Chloe now.
Chloe's the same thing. It's like she's like the most real or whatever,
Mhm.
but then sometimes she gets like too mean. But also most real, so I get that.
You're Courtney because she's small. I'm Chloe because she's the tallest one.
In the Forbes listing, the cover.
I don't think she's self-made.
She's definitely not self-made, but it's not like she was given a makeup company. You know, she put some work into it.
Like, she definitely had like the resources.
Yeah, she like
And the
had
opportunity.
a head start. It's like her and Kendall had a head start just because of like who they are, but they still like put themselves into their business or their person.
Yeah, but it's
They
just
still
like,
worked for it. Not all of it.
okay, so
you know?
Kylie is the one who's getting all the shit for it, right?
Mhm.
But it's not her who said she's a self-made. It's
Yeah,
Forbes.
Forbes said it.
So I don't get why everyone's not shitting on Forbes.
Mhm.
And like, okay, but then like later, I think Kim tweeted about it,
Mhm.
saying like, Kylie is self-made. But then everyone was like, Kim, like,
Mhm.
you can't say that she is.
She's like not really self-made,
Yeah.
but she did her work. It's like
like I'm sure she's really hardworking and she like gets her stuff done, but
And she really loves her products. Like,
I actually heard they're not good quality.
well, yeah, I haven't had them.
I heard the
Like
quality
they're
for the price they are is not good, so that's why I don't buy it. But
I don't think I would buy it unless I was super rich.
apparently Courtney's the only one to have graduated from college.
Really?
That's what I read.
Did Rob graduate? Rob graduated.
Oh, just kidding. Of the
From
sisters.
USC, fight on.
My cart is full, so we had to restart. But we ate a lot. Ugh. We're like almost done.
Scott shows up semi-regularly and he like does the, I don't know if he still does it, but he does the like interviews, you know, that they cut in.
Yeah.
So he's like a cast member, not just like a friend showing up.
Well, I mean, he was on the show with Chloe, like talking normally.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure during that time, him and Courtney were not together.
Yeah.
So it's like, he is part of it.
Like it's a signed member.
It might be like Kim and Jonathan type of relationship.
Okay.
I also have no idea who Jonathan is. he shows up pretty often. Like, and literally when it says like Jonathan, it just says Kim's friend. I'm finished. Santa Mukbang. Did it.
24 chicken wings, 12 dumplings, 2 plates of green beans.
It's one.
I know, but it's so much.
Yeah, that's all we ate.
And the black bean noodle.
Oh yeah.
I'm shook. 24 chicken wings. I'm shook.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, my battery literally died as we finished it. So yeah, we finished Santang Mukbang. Thanks for watching.
Oh, bye.
See you next time.
Get boba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to our channel. This is our first video.
Hello?
Wait, let me put this on on our Insta story. Or should I just wait? Is it recording?
Yeah. Get boba.
Boba!